Hello everybody and welcome to another episode of Tech Motoring. We have another exciting day here on the channel. We are expanding the fleet once again for Tech Motoring. Except this time, it's not my car, it's actually my brother's. And we're actually heading over to his house right now because the car is being dropped off very soon. And he's at work, so guess who gets to first drive it? That's right, so stay tuned. We're going to take a look at what it is. And if you want to know a better hint of what exactly the car is, let's just say it's a classic. And actually, I'll give you a hint and drop in the comments what you think the car is, but it's a Chevy from the 60s. So leave a comment, let me know what you think it is before we move on to the actual reveal. So we'll be back in just a second, you just stay tuned. So the truck is here with the car, however it's a bit stuck in the entrance of the development right now. It's working its way through trying to figure out how it's going to get down to the road here, so we're just waiting for the car to actually make it here, and should be here in a minute.
Oh no.
You like it?
Yes.
Well, we just got back from picking up the Nova off the trailer. The car looks amazing. It looks beautiful. It sounds great. Drives awesome. I can't wait to do some more videos on this in the future, so stay tuned to the channel. Don't forget to follow us on our website, techmotoring.com, on Twitter, @techmotoring, facebook.com/techmotoring. And remember, welcome to the future, or the past in this case. Welcome to Tech Motoring. We'll see you on the next episode.